You want to start a YouTube channel, but you do not want to show your face. Maybe you are shy. Maybe you value privacy. Or maybe you just do not want to spend hours on camera. The good news? You can start a faceless channel today. And with AI, it is easier than ever. In this video, I am giving you a complete free course, from niche selection to monetization. No face, no camera, just AI tools and a smart strategy. Stick around, because I will reveal the exact AI avatar tool that creates a realistic host for your videos. Let us go. Step 1. Pick a niche that works for faceless channels. The best niches are educational, list-based, or storytelling. Think top 10 facts, history explained, or AI news. These do not need a face. They need good research and visuals. Step 2. Script with AI. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write your scripts. Give it a prompt like, write a 5-minute script about the history of the internet for a faceless channel. Edit it to sound like you. Keep it conversational. Step 3. Voiceover with AI. Use a text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs. Pick a natural-sounding voice, not robotic. This is crucial. Your voice is the personality of your channel. Step 4. Visuals with AI. Use an AI video generator to create scenes, or use stock footage and overlay your voiceover. You can even generate images with Midjourney or DALL-E and animate them. No filming needed. Step 5. AI avatar option. If you want a talking head without showing your face, use an AI avatar tool. It creates a realistic digital host that speaks your script. This is the secret weapon. Step 6. Editing with AI. Use the workflow I shared in my previous video. Auto-edit, add captions, clean audio. All free. Step 7. Upload and optimize. Write a title, description, and tags. Use keywords your audience searches for. That is it. 7 steps. No face, no camera, just AI. Now here is the bonus. Faceless channels can monetize just like normal channels. AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. All of it works. If you want the exact list of tools I use for my faceless channel, I have linked them in the description. Now go start your faceless channel, and I will see you in the next one.